By the end of this video, you will know how to change a subscription price in Stripe. We'll start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look to the navigation area and go to Billing, then select Subscriptions. This will open the section where your active and past subscriptions are listed. Find the subscription you want to change and open it to view the full details. Inside the subscription record, look for the option labeled Update Subscription and click it. This opens the editing view for that subscription, where you can change the pricing for the item that is currently attached. If the subscription contains more than one item, make sure you are looking at the correct product before moving forward. In the Items section, select the subscription product you want to update. This is the part of the subscription where the current recurring price is assigned. After selecting the product, open the Price drop-down menu. Stripe will show the available prices connected to that product. And from here, you can switch the subscription to a different existing price if the one you need is already set up. If the correct price does not appear in the list, click New Price instead. This lets you create a new price for that subscription product without leaving the update flow. After creating or selecting the price you want, continue in the same update screen so the change is tied to the subscription you opened. As soon as the new price is selected, review the billing timeline and any proration changes shown on the right side of the page. This area shows how Stripe plans to apply the update, including whether the customer will be charged an adjusted amount based on the timing of the change. Pay attention to this section before applying the update, since it reflects the billing effect of changing the subscription mid-cycle. Next, scroll down and review any additional billing or payment settings if needed. Depending on the subscription, Stripe may show more settings related to invoicing, payment collection, or how the update is handled. If nothing there needs to be changed, leave those settings as they are and continue. When everything looks correct, click Update Subscription to apply the new subscription price. Stripe will save the change and return you to the subscription details, where the updated price information should now be reflected. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for the subscription view to reload before checking the final details. That is how you change a subscription price in Stripe. The subscription price in Stripe has now been updated.